We out for another walk. It's Saturday now, and it's crazy busy, like more busy than I've seen it. So I mean, I guess their weekends aren't much different from ours. Everybody like to turn up and get out, especially when the weather's nice. Like weather's really nice right now. But yeah, you know, I saw that they have a bridge that looks like the San Francisco Bridge. So I think I'm gonna try to walk over to see that. And while you guys walk with me, can have a little therapy session. At least for me. This is therapy for me, the traveling and everything. But yeah, walk with me. Walking all the way up on it. What do you see out there? You got a bridge that looks just like the San Francisco Bridge. And out there, you have a statue that looks very much like Christ the Redeemer in Rio. That is pretty cool. So you see a lot of these places have influences everywhere. Like I guess whoever made that bridge, that San Francisco bridge, it was an American company that did that. And I'm not sure about the Christ the Redeemer statue that's out there. Even if it's called that, I don't know. I'll look that up and point y'all to the right information. But anyway, as I was saying about travel, for me, it's very, very therapeutic. I saw a meme once where trying to watch out for that scooter. I saw a meme once that said, if you travel far enough, you get to meet yourself, right? And at first I didn't know what it meant. The idea behind that is that you travel so far outside of your norms, right? That you have no idea what the culture is like, how to deal with any situations that might arise. You just don't know. And that's when you get to know who you are in those critical moments. So yeah, that's kind of like one of the things that I'm into, is putting myself in those very, very stressful situations, you know. And you get to learn about yourself. It's fun. Most people don't like being uncomfortable like that, and for me, I find there's a comfort in that discomfort that I get from doing things like that. I can't even begin to tell you what that's all about. You know, as I travel more, you just you learn to love it. It's all a part of the travel process. You know, you go somewhere and have no idea what's happening. Like for me, I don't necessarily do a terrible amount of research before I go somewhere. I just go. And once I get there, I kind of figure it out. I mean, it's kind of weird to do, but that's how I like to move. You know, I like to discover things before, or I should say, I like to discover things as it's happening in real time. Anyway, just thought I'd share that. Let's get back to this walk.